Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Zoho CRM form submissions with CSV export, beginner guide step by step clearly. To backup Zoho CRM form submissions using CSV export, start by logging into your Zoho CRM account. Navigate to the Forms section on the left sidebar. Select the specific form for which you want to export submissions. Click on the Submissions tab to view all entries. Here, you will see a list of all submissions received. Locate the Export option, usually found at the top right of the submissions list. Click on the Export button to initiate the export process. A drop-down menu will appear, allowing you to select your desired file format. Choose CSV from the available options. You may also see filters that enable you to narrow down the submissions based on date or status. Make any necessary selections to refine your export. Once you have made your selections, confirm by clicking on Export. Your system will then generate a CSV file of the selected submissions. A notification will appear once the export is complete. Click on the notification or follow the prompts to download your CSV file. Choose a location on your computer to save the file, and click Save. After the download is complete, navigate to the saved location on your computer. Open the CSV file using a spreadsheet application like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. You now have a complete backup of your Zoho CRM form submissions in CSV format. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.